Wow.
Hello, you are welcome. Hello, madam. You are welcome.
Thank you. Some more. Master, Baba.
Wow. I'm pretty big grandpa.
Thank you.
And you back in
While I'm so confused, I don't know. Yeah, if you come back, Massa. I also tell me my mom offers also so you know.
Sir. Because you are welcome.
Thank you.
Wow.
Don't worry. Why are you? Nice mom house. I'm very welcome.
If you have a wow, this house is gonna be tight. I'll tell you. What a video show. I love it. Oh, I'm coming. Wow.
Yo, after the say, to say Ghana, I'm going to say there, I'm for you. Hey.
So you be come on.
Wow. That is a beautiful house and beautiful Chelsea.
Oh, she.
Hello. Unfortunately, I was thinking maybe you want to say something before I can take it, go inside. That's why I am bringing it here. Gentleman. It seems you cannot recognize me. I'm talking of you on phones till you come here. Now you're going to know me very well. Don't worry.
Don't worry.
We are
I see you. My wife, I also see you.
Oh, okay. Everything is going to be all right.
No problem.
Thank you very much for your cooperation. So I should take to what room?
First room.
The first one. Thank you very much for your cooperation.
Yeah,
Okay.
We are for the Akanaka.
Okay.
Mama? This guy is a friend.
Yes,
what's Kohweigu? Oh, nice. Maybe pulling me stress for Hassi. I'm tired for maybe I'm one.
Ladies, mobile introduction. I'm going to say, worry. Our tea and Wabaha. Miss Ramo, maybe I was a bedroom, maybe also me piano. Mamma, the roof. What was I doing? We are not to do.
I'm a rapper, I'm rapping, said, yeah, I didn't see which I yeah. Why would you just say a rare? Now, catch a city brew. And then a rare catch a brew. No, minch him out. Yeah,
quite no son to I got pick you on my life in the bar. In the main introduction.
Yeah, your name. My name is Kabra Perko Johnson. Give us your name.
My name is Amadola.
Dollar. Wow. And you?
Please, my name is Gynel.
Gynel.
Yes.
Wow. And you?
So my name is Katherine. Sorry.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Beautiful name.
Thank you.
We didn't like it.
Thank you.
Yeah, share some dream. Yeah, what Timmy was coming here for so be any so on them channel. Me and Ford don't know if you see why. Yeah.
Today, mobile ready send the couple here and also here doing it. But bedroom I could see myself. Thank you. Why?
You are welcome once again.
No problem.
You are welcome.
The costumes are very nice.
Thank you.
Yeah.
When you're at the moon, I'm going to be on the same way. Much as I never go.
Wow, we feel how fair.
Baba. So wow, buy you.
Yeah.
So.
If you have fair. If you have fair, so they was CC if you have seen. I won't work as I don't know if you have seen. Yeah.
How would you? Wow, 20 nature. The bray I have been.
Let us sleep, baby.
Tina many a bram person with ye. Worry. I mean, I'm nana.
I'm not my Baba. Now I am away on Nana. Why? Because I just said me what your party will be. Minkwa. Tiasa me wo. Tini your candy and crepa. Why? You need to know about why.
Tino. Oh, feel free. But
family call me room boy now. Why?
I'm in Joe.
Anyway, I think Madam has somebody in mind. Because that's what we made. What is he going to use us for? Someone from outside. Are you sure? Are you sure? Oh, we are just a maid. But do you have something in mind? Look at how sexy we are. So are you telling me that this guy cannot choose one of us? Eh? Oh yes. Someone from abroad will choose one of us. Yes. What? As what? As his wife. Anyone don't know. She said this. You are here telling me say, or was someone in mind? He said, like maybe you suspect Madam is outside. Why did you say that? I'm saying this because of look at how Madam let us dress in this house. This time around, you're not cancel and Cassa. You're sure. Or someone who Cassa. Fine, won't you soon cry? It may not happen. So this guy is here. Anyway, let's talk about this. Me, Regina. Me, more food. Oh yes, what I know is a mayor from Muchi. I'm trying to say yes. I'm not so bad. You know why? No say girls, my what? Intimacy, no bag away. Obey choose. Munja to Panamo. Girls to girls. It's going to be a great duty, please. Okay. It's good. The lady will fix us. I'm going to say. Oh, what do you say?
Excuse me. Please. Can I see you small?
Okay.
No. Actually, me why? No. Please, can you come down for me? You said your name Gynel, right? Kohweigu Gynel. Wow. Nice one.
Well, what's the problem?
Do you know I heard everything you were talking about? What you were saying, I heard everything.
Oh, we didn't say anything bad.
You said something bad in my palm. Everything you were talking of is in my palm.
It is not what you think.
Were you not talking about the guy, my friend? Are you not talking about my friend? You said you want him to war you. Yes, you said you want him to war you.
We were just playing.
Playing? Yeah, don't worry. I can lead you to him so that he can war you and take you forever. Yes, don't worry. Feel free and tell me something. I had everything in my power. So if you are ready to sacrifice something, then I will lead you to the gate.
Are you sure about what you heard?
I heard everything. I even saw you twerking. I will do this. I will do this. I will do this. I will do this. That long Katherine was a Katherine.
She's Katherine.
She too, she want to, but you are like you. I want you to win the battle.
Is that so?
Thank you. That is why I am talking of you, because you have to get it. You too, you are welcome.
Okay, so can I go?
No, I will help you on the condition.
Why? What's the condition? What condition?
You know, in this life, you scratch somebody's back and the person too scratch
So
your
what
back.
are you trying to tell me? What do you want me to do for you?
Madam, please. You know.
What do you want to say to Madam? I wasn't the only person talking. We were three, so why are you trying to make the thing look like I was the
But
only
you
person
were
saying it?
shouting. That's why. Shout. Think about it. I will lead you to the gate. Don't worry. Just think about it.
You have to say so.
You are very scared now.
So what are you trying to say?
I
should
say
scratch your
think
back and
about-
scratch his back.
Go and
No.
think. Don't think it yet. Think about it. Because Abi, you want him, right?
If I want him, I don't
You
want
want him to war you, and I am the key. If you forget the key, how can you enter?
I have to go. I'm going.
Okay, go.
Later. Okay.
Oh my goodness.